Hi, welcome back. In this session, we are resume the topic of the transformation. In the previous two session of the transform tab, we discuss about different options, and in this, we discuss about the date time. Okay, to do understand date time option in a transform tab, I just added a dummy content over there having a 4 number of the columns. So I just show you the data. But before proceeding about that, I just like to remind you about that all the related content is available on my YouTube channel. You need to search by the name of Fahad Hussain CS. Come to the playlist and there are a lot of the videos, 1000+ videos are there with these you can watch. And the related content available on my blog, fahadhusseincsblogspot.com. You can freely download the material from here. So what are you waiting for? To subscribe the channel to get familiar about it, what is going on in the world of the technology. Okay, so I use this dummy data to understand the date timer. So if your data is not in a right data type format, so you need to right click on this option. There is a change type. It must be a date type. Okay, otherwise it may be huddles. Same for the time. Right click on it and there is the time data type. Okay, so when I just click on the date, so you can see that the date option is enabled. Just click on it and these all options are here. The first one is age. For example, this date for the date of birth, the date for the joining of the company for the employee, and any information are there with respect to the date can be identified. So the first option is the age with respect to the 6/1/2025. Okay, I'll just click on it. And when you click on it, it will convert it into a format of the date with time. Okay, this is the wrong format by the way, but just when you click on it, it will just convert. So it may be first in a right date of birth format, then it will behave as a right age. Otherwise, it will show the dummy content. So you can see that the 14 and 13 and 12 age is showing. So that is the wrong value by the way. I just make it cancel. There another option is date only. Okay, sometime when you take the dummy content or the raw data from the organization, it will show date and time together. Okay, but this time you can see that that date is separately here. But when you click on the date only, so the date will be fetched here. So if the date time both are in the same, so by using this option, you can separate a date. Next one is the year. Year is start of the year, end of the year, on only year. I just click on the year and you can see that only the year is now applied. Just make it cancel. Okay, to back this option. Similarly, the next option, if you observe that year is start of the year, end of the year, it will just initiate the value with respect to the starting year. For example, a start of the year, look at this. It will show 1/1/2025, which means 1st of January. The same logic will be used for the end. Look at this, the end of the year. It's now 31st of December. We can just transforming our data. Similarly, the quarters are there, quarters of the years, the start of the quarters, end of the quarters. So I just click on the quarters of the year. So there are 4 quarters, so it just converted into back to the value. And similarly, you can make it into the start of the quarters and end of the quarters as well. Okay, this is a format of the date. You can change it, you can convert it. Okay, let's make it cancel, and cancel the original one. Similarly, the week, okay, the 52 weeks are there in the year, week of the year. So, but it will show you which type of the week in which you are present. Okay, it will convert the date into a week duration. Okay, just make it back. Okay, similarly, the week of month, start of week, end of the week, it will just convert to a week of a start and end week of the month. That is the first week of the month. Okay, based on the date. So by using this transformation or the normalization, I can convert the date into the form of the requirement of business logic. Okay, for example, the date of joining. So I want to know about that how many employees hired on the start week, the first week of Jan, is first week of Feb, and so on. So by using this logic, I can easily identify it. Similarly, the next one are days. Okay, a day of week, day of year, start of day, start, end of day, name of the day. You can also identify this one. You can see that when I just click on the name of the day, so it will also give me the day name with respect to the day name, date to day name. Okay, I just back this one. You can start apply this one as well. Earliest date, which means among of this all days, which one is the earliest, which one is the latest. When you click on the earliest, it will give me the earliest one, 6/1/2025. And similarly, for the last option, the latest one it's the latest 6/3/2025. Like I back it, come to the transform. So these all are the option with the part of the date. Similarly, when I just click on that time, so these all option for the time only, for example, the date and time together in one column. So you can apply the time only to fetch data only time. It is already time, by the way, so not affected on it. So I'm just back at hours. Okay, start of hours, end of hours, only hour. So with respect to the date, there is also same option. I just click on the hour only, so it will only count the hours, how many hours with respect to the AM or PM. Okay, I just back it. Similarly, the minutes, I just click on the minutes, it will convert it into only the show the minute only. Okay, which means that 35, 40, 15, the minutes only showing. Seconds, it will also show the second, because in the original time there is no second showing. That's why 0 seconds, that's why all the seconds is 0. Earliest time and the latest time, for example, click, this is the earliest one, and this is last one is the latest one. I just click on it, and the latest one, and it's back. So these all options is all about the date and time. So by using a date time two columns, you can transform your data. You can identify the month only, day only, year only. If there is a time, hours, minutes, seconds separately, convert into days if their date is present. So these all are the options, and normally these options use in the transformation of the data when you have a raw data. And by using this one, in future we are going to apply a data analysis expression in short text to analyze more date related operation on it. So that's all about in this session. Hope you will understand the concept of the complete transformation. When we going ahead, we will understand the script of R and Python as well. But on the next session, we will discuss about the add column. So stay in touch. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel, and this subscription of your is give me a motivation and positive mindset to make the same content to you as soon as possible and with ease. Okay, stay in touch. See you in the next session.